episode of BBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and today we're cooking ribs on my Oklahoma Joe pellet grill. So let's get in there. We're going to open up those baby back ribs from Smithfield. We're going to take the membrane off the back. We're going to season it up. We're going to put a little mustard on it first, and then we're going to season it with some Pork Perfect from Fire and Smoke. And then we're going to take those suckers. Actually, I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to put it on my little rib rack that I have, and we're going to set them suckers right on the Oklahoma Joe pellet grill. Alright, so problem number one, I just looked back at the footage, and I have no idea for what reason, but my lenses on my camera are fogging up real bad. I don't know what the deal is. It's not even humid outside. I just don't know why. So some of that footage kind of got ruined. I'll try to go through it and show you what I can. But we cut them in half, put mustard on them, and I put seasoning on them. This is the Pork Perfect Fire and Smoke seasoning. Good stuff. But that's what I did. So I apologize. The footage kind of got ruined of me doing this. But we're going to go ahead. I got my rib rack on the smoker. We're going to go ahead and get these suckers on. Alright, let's get these puppies put on there. Taking my rub off. Woo, like that. I'm not sure I like that. I just want to do it flat now. Change of plans. Alright, so there they are. Look nice, don't they? I had a big issue with that rib rack when I put it in there. Like everything kind of slumped over and I just, like, it didn't look right. So I want them like this. I want them to be more flat. I was hoping that rib rack would hold it flat, but it didn't. It just kind of made everything slump over. So, however, I am leaving this space here because I'm shooting 2 videos today. And on the second video, well, I guess you just have to wait and see because it has nothing to do with these ribs. So anyway, we're gonna let these suckers go a couple hours. It says 160, but I just opened it up. Well, 158 is what it says now, but I just opened it up. It was sitting pretty close to 180. That's where I want to be, kind of in that 180 range. So we're just gonna let it go. The temperature will go back up here in a second. All right, so we've been sitting about 175-ish. I went ahead and cranked it up to 200 because it's been a couple hours and the bacon's not even really doing that great. I mean, it's going. It's just really slow going. Ribs look good though. Ribs look real nice. Anyway, this is a different video, so if you want to check that video out, you'll have to wait till next week. But this week we're doing the ribs here, and they look pretty good. They're looking real nice, real fine. I'm gonna go ahead and get some water. We're gonna mist them a little bit, get them sprayed down so they don't dry out. And then here in a little while, we're gonna wrap these suckers. All right, got some water here. My water. Open that up just a little bit more. That's pretty good, right? That's pretty good. All right, let them ride. All right, we're gonna check on these suckers, and then we're probably gonna wrap them up. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, I think they're about time to wrap those. What y'all think? All right, let's do this. Woo, that's hot. Alright, they're back on right here. They're already starting to pull away from the bone, so I'm gonna put them on there. It's gonna be another hour or so, and then they should be about done. Alright, let's let them ride. Let's pull them off. They've been on for a little over an hour. I'm hoping they're done. We'll check them out. I may even put a little bit more seasoning on them, throw them back on, and but we'll see. We'll see. I want to check them out before I do any of that. See how they're doing. Oh, shiznit, that burned. Woo! That just burnt my leg. Look at that. Woo! That was a mistake. Talk about a fail on my part. Oh man. All right. Let's clean this up real quick. Alright, well, I kind of screwed up on talking to you guys while I was taking my pictures and stuff. I burnt myself, and I was trying to get the pictures and all that. But anyway, I took some little pieces off of that and tasted them. They were freaking fantastic too. So, and I'm not a rib guy. I will be the first person to ever tell you that I am not a huge fan of ribs. Nothing wrong with ribs, nothing wrong with the taste. Now, it's not that I've not had good ribs. I am just more of a beef guy. So, I know that kind of sounds bad, but I like brisket, stuff like that. So if I go to a restaurant or whatever, I'm not out to like look for the best rib there is. Like, I want to eat brisket or something like that. So, but I don't have anything against ribs. Don't get me wrong. I am not against ribs at all. I'm just saying it's just not something that's my top priority in barbecue is ribs, but they're good. One of these days I'd like to perfect them, to be able to compete, stuff like that. One day, eventually, down the road, I want to be able to compete and make good ribs. But as of right now, it's just like I'd rather go find brisket. I mean, that's just my thing. But anyway, I'm gonna pull the other side of these ribs off. We're gonna take them inside. We're gonna eat some supper. So I will see you guys next time on another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Share this thing. Share it if you can. Just share it to your Facebook page. You don't have to have any explanation why you're sharing it. Just help me out. Maybe get a few more views. But if you haven't either, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at NewbieQ2020, TikTok NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. That was my phone. Anyway, we will see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.